In this video we're going to start to find out what is HTML. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which probably won't mean a lot to you, but what we can tell is it's a language that's a bit like programming but not quite the same. And it uses what's called hypertext. Now we've all heard of hyperlinks, and that's very much involved in websites. So here's a quick example. If I just flick to Google here, and I'd already done it there, but if you want to see how a web page works, you can right click and go on Inspect Element, and it will show you some of the code behind the scenes which makes up the website. Okay, so we're going to learn some of the basics of HTML, which will let us learn how to make a simple website. So the first thing we need to do, if I go back to here, is go to Shared Drive, then ICT, and then Mr. Rayner. And in there I've put just a very simple text file. So once you've found that, what I want you to do is right click on it and copy it. Okay, and then go to your user drive and find a folder where you can paste it. So on mine I've gone to my user drive, I've gone on school and then ICT, or you might have a computing folder. So you could paste it into there. Okay, and then when you do, if I just flick across here, you'll have a text file showing up. So if you double click on that, and it will open up in Notepad and look something like this. So HTML is made of these little things called tags. So there's one. It uses the less than and greater than sign like brackets. And in this example, all that's in it so far is a little title that says my own website. Okay. Now what we need to do is save it as an HTML file for it to work. So we're going to go File, Save As, and instead of it being a text file, we're going to change that to all files, and at the end of the name I'm going to put in .html. Okay, so that's telling the computer that we're saving it as a website basically. And I press save. I already had done this, so mine's showing up like that. Okay, now if I go to the folder, you can now see there's a website in there. If I double click on that, that has now opened up this website I've made in HTML, and it says my own website. Okay, that's all it is so far, and in the next video we'll look at how we can improve on that.